The next step is we're going to tighten the 90 on the pump. Remember, it's plastic, so we do not have to get it too tight. There's a sticker on here requiring us to drill an 1/8 inch weep hole into the discharge pipe. It's nice to point on a 45-degree angle down so it doesn't splash out. Now we're going to install the 1.5 inch PVC into the pump. We're going to slowly thread it to make sure the threads are caught properly. Until it's hand tight. And then we're going to finish tightening off the 1.5 inch pipe with a pair of channel locks. Next step will be placing the pump into the pit. We're going to set that in to make sure that it doesn't interfere with the other pump. Next, we're going to be putting the cover on it. We've already drilled a hole right here. Covers are available with 2 holes. If not, that's a 2 3/8 inch hole that we did with the hole saw. Now we have a lot of extra wires that we used to not have. Why don't I show you the wires? Number 1 is going to be for the primary pump. Number 2 is for the backup pump. Number 3 is for the dual float switch for the battery backup. The 2 pumps will come from the bottom up through the hole with the elongated. Again, we're going to want to make sure we don't have any slack. Then this one's going to go from the top down. It will fit through the hole. We'll thread that down. Now, we're going to set the cover on that one. The second hole's going to go over the second pipe, and we're going to lower it down. Generally, they like to bind up, and we're going to use that in our favor right now. Now, we have to temporarily mount the dual float switch for the battery backup. It comes provided with a zip tie. It'll put right there, and we'll just push it down slightly for right now. We will adjust this later. Now as the cover comes down, we want to make sure that all the cords and all the slack are removed. Now in review, just want to go over the 3 wires that we have coming out of the pit. The normal plug is going to be for the primary pump. The plug with the tag on it is going to be for the DC backup. And the wire connected to the control unit is the dual float switch, which turns the backup pump on and off.